System errors causing the TMUM EVT64 DLL crashes in Trend Micro. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Before the technical guide for TMUM EVT64, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the TMUM EVT64, the Trend Micro Universal Messaging Event 64-bit library. It manages the unmanaged localized orchestration of security alerts and facilitates the data link between the threat engine and the Windows event log manifests. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Reinstalling Visual C++ .NET 2002. MFC debug lib will typically resolve this error. From Microsoft's website, download both x86 and x64 versions of the Visual C++ redistributables and install them. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including TMUM EVT64, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Most individual downloads of Microsoft Foundation Class 70 Debug DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. The link below references a primary diagnostic resource for reviewing TMUM EVT64 and system configuration. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve TMUM EVT64 dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.